After scanning the surface, we are suspicious of this point in the map, which may contain, and we are going to measure the depth with the 3 points. The middle point is suspicious, and this point is the next one, and that point is the third one. Okay. As we see, we're going to put the we used to put the electrodes somewhere. The signal electrode is one of the signal electrode is here, and one of them is somewhere else, exactly somehow that the target is in the middle. Okay, the target is in the middle, and the second electrode is there, so the target should be in the middle. Okay. I'm going to show you. This is somewhere that may be something in there, and this is the other electrode. These are signal electrodes, which in our devices named by A and B. Okay. After that, as I said, we are going to measure the depth map from here, here, and here. 3 points which can make a surface in the middle of the ground. Okay, which we can continue if we want to another point to take a complete map from a surface between 2 electrodes, that which is showing the depth map. Here is the device, and I'm going to create another memory for the depth measurement. I'm going to create a new memory for the depth measurement. I want to rename it to depth or deep. Okay, the new memory is created with the name of deep. It doesn't matter, but it's better to rename it to a proper name. I'm going to select it, and I want to measure with the manual mode with the 100%, which is suitable for this situation, and the sensitivity or gain, which is 33. It doesn't matter this shape of scanning you want. I'm going to select 64 multiplied by 14. Okay. Here the new memory is formatted and created. So I want to start manual scan. Here is the number which is showing the resistance between 2 electrodes. This number is just related to resistance, and this is not actual resistance, which is not important at all. Okay. Here I'm measuring the depth of this point in the middle with putting the measurement electrodes here and here. After that, I can get a sample which is showing the depth within 1 meter, 2 meter depth. Okay. everything is on the way, and it's showing the measurement now, which is 29.13 sometimes. I'm going to put the I'm going to measure these ones. Okay, first measurement is done. So I'm going to continue for the next measurement. Okay, it should be done by putting the electrodes far away in both of sides. That's it. With the signal, measurement is going to be as depth as 1, 2, 3, 4 meters down. The next measurement next measurement is done, and we can continue, and we should continue for 8 points at least for measurement the depth with this center. So as before, we are going to continue putting electrode this way and that way, far away. That's it. And continue measuring 8 times to complete the sampling for this point. After that, I'm going to measure every point. Okay, continue. This is the next point, and this is how it's done. So after continuing for 8 points, for example, I'm going to do that. First measurement is completed. For the next measurement, for the second point, you must change the column, which is indicating here, and being ready for measurement. Okay, continue. We're going for the second. It was the first point, and this is the second point electrode. So we should put the measurement units, measurement cables side by side of the center and continuing measuring. This is how it's done. Continue, please. That's it. After doing that for 8 times, the other scanning is completed, which you can continue for each point 8 times. After that, you have a map that indicates which is after that you are having a map that's showing a surface here like this. After scanning the ground with the new device, AGR Advanced Ground Resistance, we have been create a map from the ground, and there was something there in the map which were showing us maybe something valuable or something with the material, with the different material should be down there. We used to dig the ground at the point which the device were given us. We found this big ring which is a normal car ring here, and here is the pictures.